Offering discounts to attract customers and boost sales is an effective approach in today's competitive retail scene. Recognizing this, Shopify POS allows shops to generate unique discount codes and apply percentage-based discounts right within the POS system. This feature streamlines the checkout process, enabling companies to seamlessly offer personalized discounts to their customers. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of custom discounts in Shopify POS, focusing on how they help shops improve the customer experience, increase sales, and promote loyalty. Customer satisfaction discounts. Custom discounts in Shopify POS allow retailers to make customized offers based on customer segments or marketing initiatives. Retailers can provide exclusive incentives to customers by creating unique discount codes, increasing customer happiness and loyalty. These customized discounts can be tailored to certain consumer groups, such as VIPs, new customers, or subscribers. Retailers may build customer connections, boost engagement, and encourage repeat purchases by giving personalized offers. Furthermore, merchants can include personalized discounts into their marketing and promotional activities. Shopify POS allows businesses to design discount coupons that resonate with their target audience, driving sales and maximizing the impact of their marketing efforts, whether it's a seasonal sale, holiday promotion, or clearance event. Making the checkout process easier. Custom discount option in Shopify POS streamlines the checkout process by allowing sellers to add discounts straight from the point of sale system. Custom discount codes can be created and entered by retailers, allowing cashiers to simply apply the discount at the point of purchase. This eliminates the need for manual computations or separate systems for applying discounts, simplifying and improving productivity. Furthermore, percentage-based discounts can be applied directly to products or the full purchase, making the discount application process easier for customers and cashiers alike. Shopify POS ensures accuracy and lowers the chance of human error during checkout by automating the discount calculations. The streamlined checkout procedure saves time while significantly improving the consumer experience. Customers can enjoy a quick and easy checkout experience without having to manually calculate or give real discount coupons. This convenience increases consumer loyalty and repeat business. Discount management with flexibility. Shopify POS provides businesses with powerful discount management tools that allow them to regulate the terms and circumstances of their unique promotions. Retailers can establish the period of the discount, usage limits, and minimum purchase requirements. This ensures that discounts are used properly and avoids abuse or misuse. Furthermore, Shopify POS allows retailers to measure and assess the success of their customized offers. Retailers can run statistics to see how different discount codes or percentage-based discounts affect sales performance, customer acquisition, or average order value. This data-driven strategy enables merchants to fine-tune their discount methods, improve their promotional efforts, and maximize their ROI. Scalability and Integration. Shopify POS's unique discount capability fits smoothly into overall retail processes, making it suitable for enterprises of all sizes and scales. Custom discounts may be simply set up and configured within a retailer's Shopify POS system, allowing them to be tailored to their specific business needs and brand identity. Shopify POS's unique discount possibilities scale with the retailer. Retailers can conveniently manage their discount codes and percentage-based discounts, whether they operate a single store or manage numerous locations, guaranteeing consistency across all sales channels and creating a unified consumer experience.